Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is part two of my diorama and resin base stand video, and I'm going to be making the stand today. I started out by adding some resin to the bottom of my mold, and I put a cookie cutter in there and went ahead and added some hot glue. And now I'm adding some polyurethane resin to fill it up, and now some epoxy resin. And I'm just trying to get it to the top of that cookie cutter.
Some days are perfect. Everything feels like it should. Some days are worth it. When it's so good. Never question why. Just take your dreams and fly. Up into the sky. Always and forever. Let yourself aim high. One day you will make it. You have got to try. Let your dreams guide you. One day remember how to fly.
Now I'm demolding the stand. I just filled my base up just to the cookie cutter. So I had a 3-inch cookie cutter and filled it up to that point. So now I'm just cutting off the edges with my knife.
Girl, you got me falling.
So now I'm adding some, it's 25A silicone rubber that I had previously cured. If you use the same type of silicone rubber, it will just blend together. So that's a good money saving option. And now it's time to demold my mold. So I'm taking off the clips and the vinyl. It's definitely easier to remove them from the corners first, I found. For whatever reason. For me it is, at least.
I wanna know you, I wanna show you, and I wanna give you everything you wanted, and I wanna see you, don't wanna leave you, I just wanna give you everything you dream, but hold on to me, 'cause I know I can make you believe in something that only we can see. Also, baby, hold on to me, hold on to me.
Now I'm using my cuticle cutter to just trim off any excess on the edges.
enough for both of us. And I never thought I'd get to see that blackbird fly. You were busy trying anything that you thought that would cause a fuss.
Okay, so I got these frames. They're 4-inch frames from Amazon. So they're front-loading frames. So basically you just push the glass out and then you would put a picture in there. But I am going to use it to stop the light from going through. So I'm going to go ahead and break it. Oh, there. Okay, broke easier than I thought. Okay, this little nib, that needs to come off too on that. There you go. Comes off real easy. Just break it. So all I'm going to do is basically, it fits perfectly right on top of my stand that I've made. And that will make it so that my light can go the little bit that it's over without shining through. And here are the final stands. I think they really came out good and they look good with this diorama. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Have a wonderful day.